Hi guys, in the previous lecture we have built this motorbike page and we have inserted these posts and then we have built this thing and all the things, and now in this lecture we are going to build this about.html page. So let's create it, then save it, about.html, and here I'm going to copy the same code. Here is this, and we need this container and the row div, then this subheader and this section, and here is this, and here we have to place the closing tags of this container and div row, and then this section and div, and here is this, copy this footer, and here is the closing tags of the section clear fix container and the row. Here is place it here, and now here is this, and here is this. In between this container, in this div, we will place this all of this article and the image. And now here is the section, and here we have to remove this text, and we just need to place the blog here. We have to write only the heading blog, and now let's reload it. Here is reload it, and here is the about.html, and here is the header image, and now we are gonna make this part, and it contains this text. These are the different paragraphs. So now here remove this distance, this, and now here I'm gonna start from this part, and here in the row what we need to do, we have to create a div wrap call. Here is div wrap call. Here is the wrap and call, and then here is the div, and after this we have to place a article. All of this text and the images in the article. Here is the article, and then here is, and in between this, first of all what we need to do, we have to place the title of, here is the title of this, the title on the article. Here you are able to write any title, but I'm gonna write this. So this is in the div. Here is div, and here is its closing tag, and here is this. Here is h1, here is this, this is the entry title, the class given to it, and then after this here we have to place a separate div that contain this image and all of this text, and here is that div. Give it the class. Here is the class. Here I'm gonna give it art content, and then here is its closing tag. And first of all here I'm gonna insert the image. Here is img src, here is equal, and images /1.jpg, and here is, I'm gonna reload this page. So here is the image and its title, and we will remove this border and all the things. After this we have to create a div for the first paragraph. In this div we will paste the first paragraph. Here it is, and now here we have to copy the first paragraph. Here is in this div, we have to create the paragraph opening and closing tag in the div, and here is this. And after this we have to paste the second paragraph, and now here is the paragraph, and here is the paragraph, and now here we have to paste the third one paragraph. Here is the third one. This is the block quote, so I'm gonna paste this paragraph in the block quote. Here is the block quote. Here is the paragraph, and then after this here we have to paste this paragraph, and now after this we have to place another paragraph. Here it is, and now here is this one, and here I'm gonna show you. Here is the paragraph, and now let's insert this paragraph, and here it is. The space is created in between the paragraphs due to the default margin and padding of the paragraph, and then here we have to place this line. This line is represented as the code. We have to place this text of piece of line in the tags of code. Here is the code. So if we want to write any code in the web page to show the users, so we have to write the code in these code tags. So in this way the code is displayed uniquely, anybody can see it. Here its display is unique, and here is this one paragraph, and here it is. Here is this. Let's reload it, and now after this we have to place this ordered list, and for the order list we have to make the div. Here is the div, and here is we have to place the OL. Here is the OL. Here is the OL, and here we have to place the text in the simple list item. It cannot contain any link, and here I'm gonna paste that text, and here is I'm gonna add an indent. Here it is. Here is this, and now after this we have to place two paragraphs after this div, and now I'm going to copy these paragraphs. Here is, first of all, reload it. Here it is, and here are the paragraphs. Here is the paragraph tag, and here is its closing tag, and here is place it here. And here is, after this we have to place the last one paragraph. Here is this, copy it, and here is the paragraph, and then paste it here, and here it is. And now let's refresh it, and now we have to give the style to this paragraphs. So let's start. First of all, here is the content, and first of all we will give the style to this entry title, and then the rest of the things. First of all, here is the article and here is the entry title. You can simply write directly the class name, and here is, first of all, I'm going to create margin on the top and the bottom side of the entry title, and here is the left and right side. So now it will create a space on the top and the bottom side of the entry title. It is moved, and here I'm going to check the class name, entry title, and then now I'm going to give the style to the h1 heading that is in the entry title. Here is h1, and here I'm going to give the line height 1.2, and here is the font size 38 pixel, and now here it is executed here. So now its font is already maybe 38 pixels, so that's why it is not applied. And now I'm going to give the style to this block code text. This is a block code text, and now you can see that it have not the font size, special font size, and the color. So now I'm going to apply. Here is dot art content, and art content have the block code. Here is the block code, and here we have to apply a font size on it. Here is the font size is 18 pixel, and then here is the margin on the block code on the left and right side. Here is the 50 pixel, and then here is the font style is become italic, and here is the color is 666, and then here is the padding on the left side 20 pixel. Here it is, here it is. And now I'm gonna give the style to this OL that is present here, and here is the OL, means order list, and here is, first of all, place this art content. Here it is OL, and here is this, and here is float it to the left side, and here is a float to the left, and then here I'm going to give the text align to the center. Text align to the justify is better, or center is also better, but justify is better. Here is justify. You have already know what is the function of justify. Justify complete the line. Here you can see that this text is placed at this side, but I will provide a clear div, so it will be okay. Here is the margin is become 10 pixel from the top and the bottom, and 50 pixel from the left and right, and then here is the font size is 16 pixel, and here is the list style type circle, and here it is. So now for this condition we have to provide a div under this order list. Here is the order list, and here is we have to provide a div and give it the class clear. So this div have the property clear both, so it will not allow any element to be float on right or any side. And here I'm gonna write the clear here. Here is dot clear, and here is the clear, and here it is. So now it is okay, the about.html page is ready. And now in the next lecture we are going to build this contact page. It have the subheader, and then we will insert this map. Here you can see that this is the map, and then we will insert this contact form, and then here is it have the awesome effect, and then this text, and then this all of this information. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can.